Okay, so you learned how to do your slip stitch, you learned how to do your foundation chain. So the next thing is learn how to single crochet. So you'll usually see it abbreviated SC. So I am here. I'm going to go into my chain. So we're going to go not into this loop right here that we've been working in. We're going to go into this next loop right in here. Okay, ready? So we have the one loop. Hold your loop, hold your chain. You move your hook with your right hand, or left hand if you're left-handed. So you put the hook into the chain. So right now it looks like you have two loops. You don't. You have one loop, your chain, and your working yarn. Hold everything, yarn over, and now you're going to pull the working yarn through your stitch, and now you have two loops that are secured on your hook. Then you yarn over, hold everything, pull through both of the loops, and that is a single crochet. Hello, it's so cute. Okay, this huge hole now means we've already worked in it. See, there's a yarn right here. So we're going to go into the next chain. That's chain 1 that we worked in. We're going to go into this chain right here, chain 2, that next loop. So you take your hook, go inside of the loop, yarn over, pull it through and up. So now we have two, yarn over, and then pull it through both loops. There we go, 2 single crochets. See, now the one we worked into looks large. We're going to go into the next one. We're going to go inside the chain. We're going to yarn over, pull it through, and then yarn over and pull it through both. And now you have 3 single crochets.